Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can send money from Wise to SEB. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just open up your app and here go to the bottom and you will see the payments tab. As you can see, I edited this photo and you'll see the payments tab. Here click on the payments tab and you'll see send button. Click on the send button and here search for the currency. So it will be probably euros or the kronas. So after that, go to the bank details because you want to add a recipient. And here, select who's your recipient, yourself, someone else, business or charity. Here, you will need to enter bank account details. So sort code, if you don't have a sort code, click on recipient's bank details. Here, you will be able to select IBAN or SWIFT code. So it's probably will be a IBAN because it is usually used in Europe. And here, enter full name of account holder, IBAN, and etc. After that, click continue, enter amount that you want to send, and review all the details, fees and expenses, and that's pretty much it. You'll be able to click on send the money. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.